Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanjeev Singh, Assistant Professor of IIMT College of Management, Department BCA. Today, we are discussing about introduction of statistics. Statistics is the science of collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Statistics is science science of collection means um, uh, all these all the items include in statistics collection. First of all, we will collect the data. Second, organize the data, and after that we present the data and analyze of data. Last, interpretation of data, of numerical data. Then we find the result. Stati- Statistic, another definition is statistic aggregate of fact affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated, or estimated according to reasonable standard of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose, and placed in relation to each other. In this definition, we explain about the data. We will use the data like a character, characteristic characteristic of data according to above definition. Statistics are aggregate of facts, and statistics are affected to a mark by multiplicity of causes, like the production of wheat, uh, and etc. Statistics are numerically expressed. Statistics are collected in a systematic manner. Statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. Statistics should be placed in relation to each other. These are the characteristics of statistics. Na- Nature of statistics. Nature of statistics, we can say statistics is science or art. First, we will discuss statistics is science. Statistics is a script in which we get orderly or systematic knowledge from the point of view of the prescribed conditions of science. Statistics can be called science on the following aspect. Statistics is the rule of knowledge and is developing at a very rapid rate. It various policies are widely used in all areas, and we can say statistics is the art, is an art. If science is knowledge, then art is action. Art refer action of art. Art refer to the branch of knowledge which is the best method for solving various problems by an art, and the measure for achieving the facts are also suggested. So we can say statistics is both science and art. Scope. In scope of statistics used, scope is very wide, used in business, used in economics, used in banking, used in accounting, used in state administration, used in astronomy. We will discuss first used in business. Scope of statistics plays a key role in the well functioning of business organization. Businessmen are required to take various decisions for carrying out different operations timely. and properly. Business is full of uncertainty and statistics help in taking wise decisions. Another word we can say um, business not move without statistics. Used in economics and statistics are two interrelated terms and are used with one another. The two terms can't be separated from each other. Statistics is used for purpose of collecting, analyzing, comparing, and presentation of data. It almost all branch of economics like production, consumption, distribution. In all the aspects, we use statistics, collection, organization, presentation, analyzing, and interpretation. In interpretation, we will discuss about the result of statistics. Used in banking, statistics used in banking is another big sector where the scope of statistics used for carrying out operations. These institutions mainly earn revenue by lending money to the public out of the deposit received by them. Bank charge interest rates for leading loan. Then they give low interest on saving account. Difference between these two is their profit. Bank depend upon statistic tool for deciding the appropriate portion of lending amount out of the deposit held by them. Use of statistics in accounting. Accounting, the scope of statistics has an efficient role in both the auditing and accounting field. Auditing involves choosing the evaluating the sample for verifying the correctness, and statistics are used by auditors for selecting the sample size for checking out errors, whereas in accounting it is used for taking various decisions on the basis of approximation. The value of current assets are corrected on the basis of its current value of money purchasing power. So, use of statistics in accounting a big role. Used in state administration, the scope of statistics also include information that is used by the government for its administrative activities. It is used by public authority for framing various policies and taking corrective decisions. A use of statistics in administration decision making role of statistics. Used in astronomy, pre, uh, we use statistics like predetermined purpose. So we use statistics in astronomy. It is another important branch where static tools are widely used. Astronomy measure the masses, size, distance, and density of heavenly body, and error of unavoidable while measuring various aspects of this field. Statistical methods are used for making the most probable measurement while doing different calculation between heavenly bodies. Function of statistics, it presents fact in a definite form. It simplifies mass of figure. It facilitates comparison. It helps in formulating and testing hypotheses. It helps in predictions. It helps in the formulation of suitable policies. Limitations of statistics. Statistics does not deal with individual measurement. We can find any result with an individual data. So we do not find individual measurement. Statistics do not analyze qualitative phenomena. Statistic results are true only on an average. Statistic is only one of the method of studying a problem. Improper use of statistics. Importance. Importance of statistics. Statistics help in gathering information about the appropriate quantitative data. It provides the exact description and a better understanding. It helps to understand the variability pattern through the quantitative observation. It helps in designing the effective and proper planning of the statistic inquiry in any field. Thank you.